Yahweh, 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 the Holy One of Israel. Shalom, shalom, shalom. You're welcome to Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue, the New Jerusalem. You can see it. You're welcome to Zion City. Zion City is a city of the living God. Zion City is the most powerful altar in the world. By power, by miracle, by deliverance, by tested, by truth, by the making men and women millionaire. This is the most powerful altar in the world. This is what you're seeing as the altar, is the mountain. God said we're going to build a city where the whole world will come and worship God. That's why when you see when I'm fighting with some Umofeke, we're not just for fighting against kingdom. Know that I and the Umofeke, Zion of Satan, does not worship the same God. This is the true Zion of Israel, the God of Bible. So you must know that. Reason why you have to fight to prove who have the power and to prove who the mountain listed upon. We are reading in the book of Numbers 27 verse 18. If you have your Bible, go there. I'm going to just emphasize that. I'm going to pray for you. Know that Yahweh has said to heal 1 million people for free. You're not paying nothing. You're not buying nothing. You're not everything free. Now, the only way it can be part of this ministry, if you want to join part, because God said, government are not building the mountain for us. Occultic men are not building the mountain for us. Politicians are not going to build the mountain. Who is going to build the mountain are people that God helps. So if you are the part of people, millions of people God have healed, you are not giving your testimony, you are not giving your thanksgiving, you have never supported this ministry, you know you have benefited, you're on your own. Reason why I say on your own, any day I leave this altar, I begin to do another thing. That means the angel will leave me. If you see me before, I am very, very fair. God ask me, in fact, go and check some of my pictures. I am very, very fair. I'm like Oibo. But my son make me dark, make me old. The sacrifice I paid on the mountain. I slept on the log for 5 years. I fasted for 1 year. So fasting, no, they fear me. I did dry fasting, 40 days and 40 nights. 21 days, no food, no water. I completed it with water. I almost died. But glory be to God. Today, the reason I'm doing this program, this is our days 17 of 21 days fasting and prayer. So I'm on 21 days fasting and prayer. My own fasting and prayer, if you want to join, you can join. It's not mandatory because fasting is not really about to make money. Share the telecast. Fasting is for you to get spiritual power. Fasting can do healing. Fasting is for you to be in the spirit to carry power. God bless you. So, my name is Prophet David Yahweh Chukwuka Dibai. Share this message. The reason I'm making this program because of people like very dark black man who claim that he worship idol and is always attacking Christians. Somebody like Daddy Freez who always attacking pastors like if God cannot work. Somebody like Mathias, Ezeaku who say God cannot do miracle. I'm here to challenge all of you. On this 15th, very dark black man, if you have people that are sick, I not say blind, I not say crippled. If you have people that have spiritual sickness, that they have been in the hospital 10 years, 20 years, no, so are you trying to tell me, is everybody, there's many people that die in the hospital, why are they not serving them? Even Mathias, many people have died in your NGO. You know about the local, you even travel to India, our brothers still die, to prove to you that healing is all belong to the God. Yes, doctor can heal, but it comes from God. I can do healing, it comes from God. So anything you do in this life, you don't put God, you're a fool to challenge God. Do you know how many people that millions of people died in the hospital every day? My sister is in the mortuary. It's in mortuary. Reason is in mortuary is this. Last year she was having problem. She was attacked. Then I was in Abrado. They called me. She's in the ICU. I went to pray for my sister. She said, I've been in the ICU for days. I came, I prayed for her. I said, by this time tomorrow, she'll wake up. And by this, before 12 o'clock tomorrow, she already come out from the ICU. They are now calling me. She's okay. She's talking now. Somebody that is not talking for days. That she need blood. I went to donate my own blood. If you follow me last year, you see I went to donate blood to somebody last year. I donated my blood. I told him with his husband, I said, come and see me. Come and see me. This is a spiritual something. Then I was in Abroad. I'm no longer in Abroad. That's I'm in Naija. You call me, say, I want to go to her. I say, come and see me. What is happening to you is spiritual thing. Because in that hospital, they could not do anything. They could not heal you. And they tell you about not dry. Until I come and put my own blood in thing, she became okay. They feel they are okay. No, if you don't want people to know that I heal you, you're a fool. You don't want people to know that I heal you, and they want me to heal you. So, because of that, that was last year. Because they did not come to do testimony. They did not come to do Thanksgiving. They don't want, because of one of our occultic brother, one of our occultic brother that is giving them money. So that one is my enemy, my very bad enemy. His name is my enemy. He's a billionaire. He have destroyed many people. Once he give you money, because your life will become mystery. So because of that one is that that one is a wife is a medical doctor. No person that they take the hospital that survived. I say, prophet are not honor in his own land. That's why he get the fool who God sent. I'm like Moses, I'm like Elijah, I'm like Jesus. Ndibo. No pastor in the world have done what I've done. Bring that pastor. Forget the crowd. No pastor in the world have preached what I preached. Not by RNG. Show me one RNG I have done. Check all the miracles. I hear more than 1 million people online. Bring one person that is RNG. You will see HIV. You will see cancer. You will see kidney problem. Show me one that is RNG. Physical, online, and physical. Bring one person that is RNG. At least, this man that is something that is a Bukobi member. He's a Roman Catholic member. He's from Anambra State. You can go and check where he's staying. Then ask him whether that leg is RNG. Now, I don't like the truth. But I'm here to say that anyone that rise, that be part to call me fake, to rebel against me, the world will pursue you. If you drink water, it will be a stroke to you. If you drink water, it will be sickness to you. You will confirm. You will confirm it. All of you. I forgive you, but that you have done. Because if it's not God, you people will have killed me. You label me if I went to what do you call it? Synagogue. I went to this, all those your people who pay the JPAC and the Jensagobola and the Governor Ezeaku, all those. Where are they today? I'm doing this thing. I just want to prove to you people that you're not. Because if I don't fight you people, you will think I am powerful. If you want, I'll still give you more. If you want, I will give you more. You will see what will happen to you. But let me leave you people for now. Because be that saying I don't get sense. Reason why I fought Diofeke, arranged prophet, baby, virgin boy, for you to know that it's nothing. Or with all your million and a half, with all your billion and a half, with all the crowd, I only mean match all of you. Why is your Ogesh in prison? Where is JPAC? He's fighting. Where is Governor Ezeaku? Why is Desire Media team? All of them to prove to you you're nothing. I told you I will bring you to nothing. So know that I'm not interested in money. That is a part. I said I'm not going to be talking about you people because I'm making you to become relevant. Okay? You don't know your mates. Without social media, we are doing mighty things. Without social media. When we did 40 days and 40 nights dry fasting, it's not on social media. When I was on 1 year fasting on the mountain, hey, I spent 5 years on the mountain, it's not on social media. Now this is I'm fasting. That is nonsense. Bible says, I will reward you in secret. The reason why we bring it now, so if we fast, we don't bring it, say you don't fast. Do I need to let you know that I'm fasting? Can you do 120 days with me? Today is 17. Can you fast? You can't do it. You can only say, yeah, we're fasting, we're clapping hand. You're just, you're not fasting. You're just saying it. But reason for this program is to put shame to devil. It's not a challenge, but my God will heal 1 million people and deliver 1 million people from bondage of darkness, witches and wizards. No matter any kind of sickness, come. You're not paying 1 naira. You're not buying water. We're not selling water. So because of you that say, oh, I am not rich. I don't have money. I don't need to have money. Because we have a project. We're meant to take care of poor people, prisoners, widows, orphanages. I pay many people school fees. We have been doing program free. So somebody who have been doing program free and somebody who do program collect billion, who is more rich? He do program, he collect billion. I do my own program, it's free. So who is more richer? Tell me. Without that billion you're collecting, you find out they are nothing. I did program in Anambra, say free. I done in Abuja, free. I done in Lagos, free. I done in Enugu, say free. Show me one program that you have done is free. No, touch nothing. Just to prove to you, God have sent me. So now somebody was lighting on me. Say, oh, what about we that is in abroad that can come? I'm telling you that is in abroad, you need to come. It's free. So when I say it's free now, enter flight and come. Because you don't like the truth. If I say now, pay for Saraka, pay for this thing, you say they're asking you to pay money. But you're a fool. You spend 10 million naira, go to where they will not deliver you. I have people that spend 20 million naira for seed. They spend 100 days, they go back with nothing. Just online, I'll deliver them. We can give you the videos. So if you want to talk, you talk, you arrest, God punish you. Government will close your church. See, we in Nigeria, we always want to intimidate people. If you want to look at people, you think not everybody can intimidate. You can't intimidate somebody that is bigger than you. You can't intimidate somebody that have experience. Why do you think they're not arrest Showore? Your spiritual father never go to America. He never go to UK. I have been there far back of 2004. Can ask question. He can never intimidate somebody that is bigger than you, that have knowledge than you, that have connection than you. He may have 1 or 2 connections. Why you not use that your connection and ladies don't get you? If I don't have connection, you're borrowing connection. It's not about crowd. Do you know that only Showore have connection than all of you that in that your useless church that is threatening people? It's not about I have crowd. You have crowd what? You have crowd by manipulating people. If you tell your crowd the truth, they will run away. I'm only respecting Mazen and may Almighty God, Elohim. Listen, because on Monday, God said, pray for him every Monday. And reason why Mazen and is in prison, because if he's not in prison, they would have killed him. And the 2, if he's not in prison, they would have caused war. That's why God said, I am the only prophet that told you that God said, I put him in prison to preserve him, to save him. But many people are could they say, go come out. This way, you come out. Why you not come out? Because he see nothing. The same thing, when they caught you, it's come error. That's why people don't believe Christianity. I don't blame Mathias. He give people false hope. He don't give people false hope. Hey, make up from him. No, that is not, you're not a prophet. He says he's bringing shame to us. That's why I see like very that Brahman and I, they're fighting pastors. Mathias, they're fighting pastor. Everybody fighting pastor. I am first person to burn things of Jeremiah. TB Joshua, name them, Bushiri, all those were 2018. He never come at that time. So you don't tell me about fake prophet. I know why will call you fake, you're fake. We'll prove it to you by Bible, by what you do, by forget about the money. Akwa cannot get money. Does he worship God? Million will not get money. Does he worship through God? You are a fool to think you have money that you know God. Go to Ayo Babarara, the man who started Pentecostal movement. Everything there is free. Have water. That is man who gave me bell. Let's bury see. I have the mountain. I have sword from Michael. I'm like TB Joshua and Debo. Because we're not talking, when it's not about boasting. Bring down your prophet, let him bring sick people. Let them heal it 1-on-1. It's not about, see, the only person I'll expect for him is TB Joshua because he will see somebody that is sick. Jeremiah said they try. I will even respect Jeremiah that on this of a no. We never see miracle way they do. You all come online and blackmailing people and doing and gathering things. You never show me one miracle that you have done. You can see miracle in Jeremiah. See people, yes, even if it's not through God. You have seen miracle. You can't lie. We'll see no miracle. I've never seen which miracle you don't do for the church. Bring them on, put for television. Only church, woman, they fuck. Woman, they do this one. How many times they fuck your husband? That's nonsense. Show us the power of God. Stop giving us a comfort night. Go to people, give them prophecy, call their name. You call somebody that is not in your church. I cannot prophesy to the people that follow you. You don't see that Mama Gio Ogechi want to get problem. But I saw it, I told her. Ogechi, move yourself for Zion, they want to have problem. Don't come to Nigeria. They say they have all the connection today. If you don't beg all those people, if Ogechi go court next time, they will send them to prison. This is the last time I want to talk about it. I only want to talk about it because I told you I want to. If I say something, as I told you, I said, I go run from God, but I know they run. Who is a prophet? I told you what I will carry all of you to prove to you I am a spiritual warlord. Nothing that I say that doesn't come to pass. Why don't you think Mathias know to call my name? Because I nearly this. When I told Mathias was wondering, how did I know that somebody that he take to India died? That was in 2020. That's what Mathias don't mention my name. Me, we don't try. All of them have tried me. Mathias have used all they have done everything they can do. They thought it's today. Those people that are saying today, I fought it long time ago. Mathias to start a church. Now me tell and say, you don't even get to where you'd organize people before Mathias went to open church. When he opened. So because you are seeing people like that's why I hate that idiot called Mathias. He said they are collecting tithe, they are collecting offering. The same thing that pastors are doing, you are doing. What you're doing is not to men. What you're doing is church of Satan. Okay, let us call a spade a spade. We know why you're doing evil of themselves. If I never put money, I don't put 100 and something thousand. Go when I say 100,000, go when I say 50,000. So we know evil of themselves is something that we need. Not this what you're doing. Because what you're doing now, if you see where, okay, how to know that you're evil, Mathias? Why you don't speak about Ezane? But if it's pastor that do that, Mathias no go. If suddenly fall sick. You can check most of them, men and a brother. They don't feel calm. Even that Mazi, what do they call this boy? From Anambra, where they talk about pastor. You know if he carry the thing. A man, a native doctor, killed over almost 100 people. On a one hider. This is what I saw. Do you know when I started talking about Occultic 2018? Before anybody. Before me, then we don't start joining. Occultic the keepers because you have seen that I've said that. People don't get attention. They now want to start saying, Occultic the keep. Mommy, what are the key person too? Mommy, what are the key person more than Occultic? Not this thing. Anybody that go to Mommy Water shouldn't be your friend. Shouldn't be your friend. ROC is a human being. That's why our forefathers have more wisdom than you. Many things that you're suffering today are ancestral power. Nothing like God, you're a fool to think nothing like ancestral power. Do you know the kingdom are fought? You don't want to tell yourself the truth, and you will perish. Anybody that says nothing like ancestral power, nothing like witchcraft, nothing like spiritual sickness, you're mad. I have received more than thousands of people, medical doctor from America. I can bring the videos of them. Give you the date they came from America to visit me. Some spend 5 million, some spend 7 million, some spend 2 million. Pay flight, spend like 2 weeks, some spend like almost 1 month. He said nothing like, why they not care for America there? There's even a that one even went to join a room, but still no solution. Why I'm saying this to me now is because of if you're thinking your money can save you, your money cannot save you. Pray not to have spiritual sickness. My sister that I healed, do you know what it takes her to come to the altar and thank God and now finish the prayer? Because of one useless brother. So that one will not say that they are following me. He's going to the Roman Catholic. So when I preach, because you're going to the Roman Catholic, you will not die. Oh, you're dying now. Yes. But when you're sick, you're in the ICU, you don't call your useless, they're going to Ebukobi. They're in a toilet fair. You don't call your Ebukobi to come and pray for you. You know me, come deliver you. I come to the hospital, I pray for you. Within less than 12 hours, somebody have been on coma for almost 1 week. More than 2 weeks. More than 12 hours, she wake up. I said, by this time tomorrow, I came in with my junior sister. After we finish program in Abra, I said, come, let us go and visit somebody in Festac. When I went there, this our sister could not talk again. She don't even know that we came. She's in ICU. You know what it's called ICU? The person don't come out from life. Then I brought her back to life. Now, he cannot give glory to Almighty Yahweh who heal you. Because he don't want people to say, hey, it's the Yahweh that heal me. It's like, okay, now that you died, it's not better. A husband could not call me for phone because she had no go call her. So when she had problem, after like a year, she entered ICU again. They could not call me. She now died. Because of what? They failed to give thanksgiving. As soon as they give thanksgiving, they can go, I can stand on the phone, say, put her on the camera. Come on, demon, come on. Because what is happening to her is not hospital something. They say it's cancer. That's not cancer. That's a demon. If it was cancer, when I pray for her, she will not get healed. That's what's physical. Anything physical, if I pray, like somebody will break hand, I pray it will not be okay. But if it's a spiritual something, if I pray once, the thing will go. The person will be okay. So that is it. So if you see, go to hospital. But when you find out that he has been in hospital 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, I beg you, look for a spiritual person. Don't let very dark black man to deceive you. Don't let Daddy Freez to deceive you. Don't let Mathias to deceive you. He will die like a chicken. Then they belong to somewhere. You see, the very dark black man, they enter Juju house. He's proud of his God. He's proud of native doctor. I don't want you to be proud of your pastor. I am not saying I'm supporting fake prophets or arranged prophet, arranged pastor. But we cannot join, you're a Christian, you cannot join fools to insult your own God. So if you think that your pastor is fake, for you now look for the real one that will help you. That's my advice for you. But don't join them, because no matter are you supposed to very dark black man. But when I find out that they now want to start fighting God, I hands up my hand. I'm not supporting anything. I'm not against very dark black man. I'm not against pastor, but I hate arrange. So and I also want to advise you. So you will not go and do it to real prophet and God will appear us, because if you do anything to me, you're not doing to me. Oh, I know get member. Well, how I concern you? How many members Elijah get? How many members did Jesus get? How many churches did Jesus build? No. Jesus only go to and preach. So my church there for street. My miracle started on the street. Go to everybody, they know me there. Go to Semen, they know me. Don't worry. One day I will take talk. You will see people that have prayed for many, many years. They will shout, they will. My miracle started from the street. So you know if you stop me. If you like, you do anything, you know if you stop me. I know as mobile hospital. Mobile hospital. A man with 1.16 million angel. When I go see him, Abuja will come. Port Harcourt, I come. Ladibo, all those places. Where we see it, we will see power. Instant healing and solution. On these 21 days, so why you have to come? Because I don't want to ask you to go and join partner, go and pay for Salaka. No. If that money you're paying for Salaka is nothing. Because if you pay for Salaka for spiritual problem, you go and bring 500,000. I buy 1 bag of rice, 100,000. Then maybe say something, they say you want to do better Salaka, buy ram, 300,000. Money never finish. They don't go cook them. They don't go buy mineral. They don't go buy biscuit. They don't go do other things. But if they go for crop, drink 1 million. If they go do a kit, 3 million, no complain. You're a fool. But keep your money aside. Now, the Yahweh is inviting you. This altar is not, this is a private mountain. I don't open it maybe once in a year, but I have not opened it since 2 years. Last time I opened it, this man now I see is a member of Zion. Well, I have to say the truth. So if you want to go to court, we'll go to court. That's why we'll give you evidence. We want to go to court, we'll go to court. This man now, a member of Zion. If you come where they come, in Egypt where he can come, he puts Zion sticker. You don't go Zion for how many months? They can official. Because 2 of your leg don't lot it. They don't feel heal that sickness. Now the same thing what happened to that mama where Mathias carry. That kind of thing, when they say I'm for Zion, they will run because they don't want to. They don't want people to know they can't heal it. That's some deliverance. So let me tell you, I have a daughter that he came from London, America. He was in there 100 days. He paid. He's one that telling me, I paid for room that no television. No television in that room. Say the bed sheet now, they not even wash it. He'll remove all those things. He was paying 50,000 naira for room where television no day. After I go say no, they collect money. The woman spent more than 10 million. You know, if you see Ebuka go back, the sickness where carry come Nigeria, can't go back. Now me there for here, deliver. If not so, Father, let me not see the light of the day. I can give you the testimony. The testimony, they send their testimonies on my phone that crash. But I can get the voice I'm saying to you because most of them they fear. No, so my Catholic people, so they fear even to give testimony. Not because they don't love me to give testimony, but because of they don't want their family. Oh, now somebody they go now. That prophet where they do like this, because people are leaving me evil. That evil that he leveled to me, Almighty God will put it on you. That disgrace must come to all of you. Because that's it. Ne oga adịghị mma, ne oga amasị gị, ihe ahụ mere onye ọzọ emeghe oga adịghị mma. When you come and begin to call us fake, when you know you're fake. When you come and begin to tell us if you go to water, you're fake, and you are selling water, are you not fake? When you come, tell us, we are native doctor, but you're worshiping Mary, idols. Egyptian goddess Isis, are you not demonic? Tell me how you became more real than me. You don't even follow the Bible. The Bible command to keep Sabbath. You're not keeping it. The Bible belongs to us. Mary belongs to us. Jesus belongs to us. Nothing belongs to the Roman Catholic. Roman Catholic are the one that killed the Jews. Go and do this history. Roman Catholic are the one that slaved Africa. And every African man, actually, Igbo man, able, in a Roman Catholic, give you what you. You're a fool. I've seen that. I'm telling you because you cannot see the truth. People that slave you, people that killed you, people that do all manner of things. You shouldn't use the Catholic to make mouth. So that's why sometimes I'll be ashamed of Mbaka. Mbaka is a very great prophet. If he can remove from that, the Catholic can stand on his own and build himself. I will give him the spirit. But as long as he's in that occultic church, no. Because your headquarters, where you come, is where they bury a lot of skulls, more than millions of skulls. Call people who don't travel to go Vatican, make them tell you what they see there. Do you know how many people they killed in Vatican? The Vatican Pope is the chief priest of ancient idols worship. That Mary you call is called Marianne. I'm not against Jesus, I'm not against Mary. I love Mary more than you. It's called Marianne. It's a black woman. I'm not against Jesus. But that one you're worshiping is deception. How do I put it now? How do I put it? How do I put it? I don't know how to justify it. You're doing long thing, and you're calling people that are doing the right thing wrong. Okay, look at what are looking for Biafra. They are not praying. Nigeria is bigger than them. That doesn't mean what they are saying is not the truth. It's like me now. I'm preaching against nonsense, and you call me fake. So me that telling you what will benefit in Dibai, and somebody that is telling you about a foreign god who's supposed to be more important to you. Somebody who wants to save your land, or somebody who wants to destroy your land, who is more important to you. Anybody that tell you about Roma never robbed you. See what is happening in Burkina Faso. Just they pursue France. See that country become now. See how big the country becomes. The same way, if we never realize that the Catholic is a slave, you can never succeed. That is it. You must know that. That's why any small thing they say Sabbath, any small thing, somebody died that killed somebody in Enugu. They say it's a Sabbath. I say, show me one video where that guy they keep Sabbath one day. The boy no favor in the video. Show me one video when that useless Sunday worship, because nobody keeps Sabbath, true Sabbath. There's something say maybe you can worship money without hide, but kill somebody, you can't try it. Because Sabbath is a covenant. God a bull. That's why many people is afraid of Sabbath. Show me one video of that guy that killed somebody, or only Sabbath is not a boom. Show me one of his video. We can show you thousands of Pentecostal and the nonsense and this, all those. You know, you people are like to, because you know, somebody cannot talk. That's why, as I come out to talk, they are surprised. How can this one come? This one I'm talking, I'm not a Sabbath you think so. I am a spiritual warrior that came for assignment. This is not Sabbath of old. I know the throne I do all those things. I know just said Sabbath, Sabbath prophets can stand me. No. Because I'll be here one-on-one. Put the sick people. I never see Sabbath man where Sabbath people they can do spiritual work to work. I know they help power. But I never see a Sabbath man where go to lay hand the sickness they come out. Now we not reach 5 for Nigeria. You know be out here get the you're a Sabbath prophet. Come out now. Come and prove and say pass me. Make we do healing. You know fit stand. Not be to boast man. This is why I'm saying this is so you are claiming have power. People are calling everything that happens, they say Sabbath your occultic people. Sabbath your this one. They have been saying this thing from when I was small. When I find out that Sabbath is the truth, I said anybody that's speaking against Sabbath is enemy of God. I'm not saying there's no fake man of Sabbath occultic man. There are. I'm not saying there's no Sabbath people where they worship idol. There are. I'm not saying there's no Sabbath people where they worship money water. There are. But the truth remains that Sabbath is the original. So you that are worshiping Sunday, you are worshiping Satan original. You that are saying praying to Mary, you're praying to Mary original. So let us now go to original. Because we must have bad people in everywhere. They must have bad egg. When they come for healing, before Jesus Christ came, Elijah have come and done miracles. Before Jesus Christ came, there's a David, there's Moses, there's a lot of people who work for Yahweh, who conquer kingdoms and working with power of old. The same power that Jesus Christ used is what I'm using. I don't know for you. Because son, not the bit this phone. I was saying crazy this program. We can say occultic man calling Jesus. Reverend Father, Jesus. I say what Jesus. I mean what everybody's calling Jesus. Go to occultic, they're also calling Jesus. Because that Jesus is calling is not the true Jesus. His name is called Yeshua. Amasha. So this you must know. So please share the telecast. I'm here to tell you that my God is capable of doing real miracle. So if you're a media, you want to come for that day, 15th. Well, I put it on Sunday because Saturday is my covenant day, so I will use it to do prayer and sometimes moving around. That I say every Sunday, it's not going to be every Sunday. You have to book. Because on Sundays, I may travel, I may go somewhere. But this 15th, I will be here to receive. If you want to come for this program, you're not paying nothing. Just book 0903-222-6076. Then make sure you have got your license. If you have never got if your hospital report is more than a month, we cannot accept you. So you have to do new one to make sure that sickness. Nobody say if I hear you finish, you say, I don't, you don't tell where I go, you don't tell where I go, test. I never go new one. Go down new one this week. Today on Monday. Use from now to tomorrow, go down. So by Thursday, you can send out your this thing. Reason why I say you don't come uninvited, because if you come uninvited, you cannot see me. You must book. Booking is free. So I don't want people to troop here because they still don't even want crowd. So and that's why where I can't even come. So if you come, you're coming, they will write your name on the gate. So when you come, you call us that you're at the gate, they will come and carry you. If not, so they can bounce you. So I don't want you to come, you will not be able to enter. And they don't come late. Many of you, they don't want people to see you. If you not say you don't want people to see you, don't come. Not when we finish, you start coming. This program will start by 10 and close by 12. So if you cannot make it this week, don't come again. I know the rule for member. I just want to help you. So nobody say, I there for traffic. This is why we put it. Because last time we do. Some people started coming by 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. No. And if I don't pray for them, they will be angry because they are coming from far. That's why we put it on Sunday. Listen now. Now Saturday, they do my program. But this Sunday, now one-on-one. Even for East, now I put one-on-one on Sunday. Now, if I invite you to come Saturday, many of you may be coming. You may not get here at night because of Lagos traffic and they're doing load. So that's why it's okay, fine. Let us help ourselves. Now, God, I beg. Let me just pray for my people on Sunday. Now, instruction. You must obey instruction rules. I'm not a baby prophet. I am among the biggest prophets in Nigeria. That even if I say it's 1 million and I want people to pay to see me, people are paying it. If I want more than that, people are paying it. So for me to say I want to do it free, for you not me say I'm a fool, or I don't know my word, but I'm doing it to help everybody, to prove to you it's not your money. Now, but it's not on phone. Like my brother died, call me this morning. Well, you in abroad, one says in Dubai, if you're in Dubai, enter flight. Because if I tell you now, things you're going to buy for spiritual work, so I can do something that can have effect, it will cost money. If you have your pastor, go there, let them pray for you. You have your pastor, go there. I know they drag anything. I don't have that time. This man doing now, he's already time and waiting for me to let this money so I can go and build my mountain. I also pray for my sons and daughters. So those one say they don't want to follow again. Yeah, you can go. Those one will say they want follow. I will keep on praying for them. Make sure you pay your partner. Like I said this year, if you're not paying your partner, you're not part of us. You must pay your partner. Because that partner is to this free program and a partner they do. Because we want to help people. The essence of this movement, I started with my money. I lost everything. I sold everything I have when I was on mountain. So it's not, you're not doing us favor. This place is my money, I bought it. So nothing. Show me the way I bought. You're following me, God, I bless you. Show me land where you don't buy, give me. Show me car where you don't buy, give me. I might not do miracle. If you say all those miracles is fake, come out and prove it. You can't. The only thing that because if you know it's not your church, it's not you have prayed for some people. They will go to their church and do testimony. That nonsense must stop. That's why you have to come down. Even if you don't pay money, come and make vow. Tell God what you're going to do. When my God bless you, when you come, you make vow. So that vow. So you think you want to buy land now, you're helping me. You can't help God. If God bless you for you to buy land, don't buy it. Now your business will crash because God will command that. The phone, that's why. The phone is going off. Let me just be here. The sun is hitting the phone. So the theme is this. 1 million people will be healed. That is what God wants to do now. So if you know, say, you're doubting Thomas, you have somebody that is sick, send your booking. Send the doctor's report. What is wrong with the person will tell you the day you're going to come. So it's only Sunday we can see people. Then if Sunday, you cannot make it this week, it'll be next Sundays. This prayer is going to last for 3 months, but every end of the month, may not be part of it because I'm end of month. I may go to East, I may go to Abuja, I may go somewhere else, I may go. So, but those first Sunday, second Sunday, third Sunday, every month, we like this. We'll have like 2 Sundays. I don't know how the last one will be, but that's why I say book. If the time I will not be around, I will let you know that you cannot come this Sunday, come next Sunday, because you're not coming to give me money. So keep that your money you want to give me. So I just want you to, I don't want you to come and waste your money. Like people that go to on the channel to look for me, they will not see me. So let us help ourselves. So if you're coming, book, send your this thing. I want to come for the one-on-one prayer session. Normally you're supposed to pay for, be a partner to see me one-on-one, but this one because we are just want to help everybody. So and if God bless you, you don't need to mountain. We are starting afresh because millions of people who help. Many of them are Roman Catholic. They are this. They just want miracle and go. So we don't want that again. So anybody that we are praying for, you must have a covenant. If God bless you, this is what you're going to do. And if you don't do that, it's you and God, not me. So God bless. That's why it's free. So I'm here to thank everybody, all my partners. Those are in America, those are in Canada, those are in UK, those are who are supporting this. Only me can do it. Who saw the need to stand and fight for God? May Almighty God fight your battle and bless you. And I'm here to pray that whatever you're looking for, Almighty God bless you. Please help me to share this card. I'm here to pray to all those people who are reporting my page. So I will not share, so people will not hear my word. May Almighty God block their way and put sickness upon all of them. In my name of Yahusha. Because who can battle with the Lord? Nobody. So God bless you. My name is Prophet Yahweh Chukwuka. Love you all. Shalom. You're welcome to Zion City of the US Synagogue, where the Zionites, where the Israelites, where the Igbo Jews, we are the chosen one. I love you all. Shalom.